Let's learn how to make a dandelion design. Overlap the nail with white gel and then cure it in the lamp. We need to put green neon pigment into a container and add a small amount of black pigment and then mix it well. You can take a brush and it will be more comfortable. We need to mix pigments well. The result that we can see is a dark green neon pigment powder. Then we need to apply this pigment in the form of a circle to the sticky layer using the same brush. There will be a dandelion. Then we need to take green neon pigment and put it around. As a result, we obtain gradient. We need to use brush with yellow neon pigment and fill in the remaining areas of the nail, gently touching it with a brush. Then let's cure the nail in the lamp. It is necessary to clean the brush with a napkin, and after that we need to remove carefully the remaining pigment from the nail. It is necessary to use buff around the nail to avoid it from further product liftings. This should be done very carefully, so as not to damage our work. We take an Ultra Bonder acid-free primer and with an almost dry brush we run around the perimeter. And then, with gentle movements, run all over the nail. We take the rubber base and cover the nail, so that there is no product liftings and the material is well kept. Then cure the nail in the lamp. At the same time, we take yellow gel, neon yellow gel, red gel, white gel, blue gel, and black gel. We need to add some yellow gel into a small drop of white gel. This will make the yellow gel dense. Then we need to draw a small circle. This will be the center of a dandelion. We need to mix blue gel and yellow gel to get a green tint. If you add neon yellow gel to this tint, you will get a beautiful green color. Then we need to add a small amount of black gel. The result is green shade, which is similar to the color of grass. We need to draw a stalk and petals from the center with this color. Since the gel wasn't dried, we obtain a double color. Yellow is mixed with green, and because of this, a 3D effect is obtained. Take a white gel and paint highlights. Mix red and yellow gels. The result is orange color. We need to put dots inside the center of Dandelion with this color. Take a clear red color and put dots where the shadow should be in order to create a 3D effect. Then, take a thin brush and black gel. Carefully paint details of the stalk and each petal with the thin brush. Now let's draw the middle of Dandelion. It is necessary to paint details with thin brush, with black gel on one side and white one on the other side, and mark points to make 3D effect. Then cure the nail in the lamp. Take the applicator and make Ira puffing out of it. We type on it a white gel and with a swatting motion stretch it on the applicator. We need to lightly hit in the shape of a circle. This creates the effect of a dandelion. Moving around the middle of a dandelion. When the result will arrange us, we need to cure a nail in the lamp. If you accidentally overlapped with white color, then once again paint details of the center of dandelion with thin brush with black gel. We need to take a thin brush and white gel and make lines from the center of dandelion. They are different, long and short, so the result is 3D effect. At the top of each line, we draw parachutes. They look like small snowflakes. Each line must have its own snowflake. Each line has its own snowflake. We take a black gel and paint details of white parachutes with thin brush. Black gel creates a shadow. If it seems that there are not enough of elements, you can add them. When the work is done, cure the nail in the lamp. We take a rubber top and overlap the design. Let's cure the nail in the lamp. The design is ready.